Sean here from Overlanding Out West. This morning I'm going to be packing for our trip. So this trip we're going to be going down to Yeagarup National Park, taking on the dunes, doing a bit of salmon fishing if we can. The weather looks good, so fingers crossed everything goes according to plan. Now, it's 8:25. I have had a busy week and now I just want to get away, but I haven't packed. So I'm going to go and pack just now and I'll let you see how that looks. Roll the footage. Good morning everyone. It's a bit of a busy morning for me. I had a wedding last night. Had to kind of chuck everything in the car this morning and running a little bit late. We're about an hour behind where we wanted to be, so going to meet Sean at the BP on Kwinana Freeway. It's about nearly 10 o'clock now, so yeah, can't wait to get into the salmon, get some fishing in. Haven't been to Yeagarup before. It's going to be so good. Sean's probably been up since 4:30 this morning. We all know it, he always does it, gets too excited for a trip, can't sleep.
Now that we've reached the air-down area at Lake Yeagarup, we've parked alongside the information hut. Now, it's got some general information about camping in the area, as well as the payment station with the camping fees. Now, you pay about $13 a day, which keeps the park open, clean, maintained by the park management. Now we've got the crew together after a nearly 4-hour drive down here. It's time to air down and head towards the beach. So you start off driving alongside the lake, taking some of these relatively easy sand tracks, but with some great scenery on the way. And now for the first obstacle of the trip, the entry into the Yeagarup sand dunes.
now heading down to the beach. It takes about an hour as we've got to travel about 8 k's, but once we get there, we'll be setting up camp. As you can see, it's now dark. We're about an hour and a half after sunset. It's roughly 7:30 now. We're going to set up camp, enjoy ourselves, and then we'll have some fishing in the morning. That's as good as it gets.
Ow. Well, we'll see if it holds. Fishing time.
Yeah, let's go get the rods.
What are we doing, Sean?
Another sinker. It's quite hard to get out there. Did you put another sinker up?
I did.
You go where?
So we're packing it in. Didn't really get a lot. It's real choppy out there at the moment. Harry's still just got his last cast in there. But this is our only little catch for the day. My little herring. Only fish we got. So after breakfast we might have a little crack again, or we might head off to the second day's camp. Harry's running on pretty low fuel, so yeah, we'll see if we do any full driving or if we're just going to head to the spot near the river. But anyway, we'll check in after breakfast. Back to the ocean you go, little man. Back you go!
Oh shit!
Well, I think he made it. Nearly done, Sean.
Almost. Then just a quick change of the t-shirt, a couple of baby wipes under the armpits. Good to go.
You know, go for a little swim?
That's a quiet no from me.
It says it's got a low battery, but it starts fine, so that's my problem later.
Harry ran like a few lights in the car, possibly opened the door a few too many times last night, and his battery's already dead.
You know what? It's probably from keeping on turning the lights on while we look down at the thing.
He could have been turning the lights on all the time. It could be that Overlanding Out West Land Rover curse.
It's real.
I left my keys in my tent. Sean, I did a Sean. Guess where my keys are?
Yeah?
Yeah.
I bring 2 sets now usually. I bring the spare keys with me. I can't laugh, I've done it before as well. Damien's just left his keys in his tent, so he's now got to unpack his rooftop tent and get the keys out. But it could happen, I guess, in any tent or swag, so it's not just the rooftop tent that would do that. But yeah, so we're ready to go, but now we're not ready to go. But as soon as we get those keys, if they're in the tent, if they even are in the tent, then we'll be on our way, heading along the beach and going a bit inland to go to a little bit of a different scenery. We're going to go to the Warren River, and if we can, camp beside the water. We've got a spot on the map, but we don't know. We've never been before, so just winging it. Anyway, we'll catch up soon. We're now driving along the beach. Not only has Harrison had a flat battery, but he's also low on fuel. He's got that heavy right boot, so we're just having to deal with what we've got now because we don't have very much fuel. We've got about 20 litres each spare, but we'll see how we go. We're going to try and find camp, so we're just going on a bit of an expedition exploring, and we'll see whether we can find the camp spot that we're looking for. We've marked it on the map, but unfortunately we've never been before, so we don't know if we'll get there.
And it's time to hit the road again. So weather's looking really grey outside at the moment, but yeah, it's not too cold. But we'll be having some fun on the way, but basically heading to our next camp down on the river.
So when we came past here last night, about 8 o'clock last night, this wasn't here. Someone since last night has rolled their Prado. Damn! More damage on this side too. Where do you think they rolled it? Here. Well, there's all that stuff there, yeah. Thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe, share it with a mate as always. We hope you come back for part 2 of our Yeagarup series. See you then, Overlanding Out West.